Oh hell yeah, bros. This is my favorite day. It's Monday. Monday's working of plans. Everything. Secrets, everything. So I will be always, and Mondays I will show you my secret social. So I can tell you my secrets. My top 10 favorite games are number 5 is Terraria. Number 4 is Minecraft. Number 3 is Midnight Club. Number 2 it's Black Ops 2. And number 1 FIFA 13. So if you want to show you my dog, it's a boxer. Sultan. Yeah, this is my dog. So, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe, like, and comment. And please don't dislike. So, I'm gonna show you my neighbor's house. This is my neighbor's house. Over there and over there. So, this is my tree here. And this is my post. And this is my house. A very additional house. And that is my original, my little house. So when you come in my house, it's locked, right? There, it's locked, and everything is here. It's my house. So before I show you my secrets, I just want to tell you this is my first day that I talk, and my signature mode. That is this. That is that. And that is my secret note from when I do a video. I will be signing it like that, so it can be like more smoother to like be more farther and more expensive for YouTube videos. Before we make this video, I just want to tell you that beware of Jesus Garcia. This is Jesus Garcia, and please like, subscribe, and comment. So this is my first day that I can show you. That is Monday, and every Monday I gonna do a video that is gonna be a secret of me. So like the next Monday, I'm gonna be talking about more. And please like this. Wait. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.